This is a video tutorial about how to use the Highlight.org toolbar. Before you can use the Highlight.org toolbar, you must install it on your computer. You download the installation program from the Highlight.org website, and you would install it as you would any other program on your computer. There is a video tutorial on how to install the Highlight.org toolbar that you may want to refer to on the Highlight.org Highlight page, help web page. Let's demonstrate how to use the Highlight.org toolbar. First of all, there are several buttons that you can use when you log in. First of all, there is a link to the Highlight.org website. There's also a link to the Highlight.org help page. There's also a button that shows you if there are any highlights on the current page, and you click on this button to display them. To begin, you must enter your account name and password into the boxes provided. I will demonstrate. I enter my account name and my password, then I click on the login button. Now that I'm logged, I have some additional buttons that I can use to create highlights. There is still a link to Highlight.org. There is now a link to my report page on Highlight.org. There is a drop-down list of available topics that I can then apply to the 5 available highlight topic buttons that I can use to categorize the highlights that I select and create. There's also a search box that allows me to enter words to search for on Highlight.org, so no matter where I am browsing on the internet, I can always perform a search on Highlight.org. There's also a button that shows me how many highlights there are on the current page, and if I click on this button, it will show me by displaying highlights a vivid highlight colors on the current page. I can also create a new custom highlight topic if the topic that I'm researching does not exist, and after I've created that highlight topic, I click on this button to reload the custom highlight topics that will be displayed in the drop-down list. I can also create a note on highnote.org and a task on hightask.org, and those can be used in conjunction with highlights to create a very powerful research system. Also, there is a link to the help page on highlight.org, which provides you with training and information on how to use highlight.org, as well as video tutorials such as this one. Let me begin by creating a new highlight topic that I have not created before. I found a website on Thomas Jefferson, and I'm researching him, but I found that a topic titled Thomas Jefferson does not exist on Highlight.org, so I need to create this new custom topic. I'll begin by clicking on this button, Create a Custom Highlighter Topic. It opens up this dialog box that I need to create a new highlighter topic. I create the parent topic or the base topic. I select the parent topic or the base topic from which I can create the Thomas Jefferson topic. Since he is a historic figure and this is a biography, I choose to use his history, geography, and biography as the parent topic. Then I can create the name of my new topic. In this case, it's Thomas Jefferson. And I now can enter some notes to describe the type of highlight that this is. So I'll say highlights of Thomas Jefferson, and he was a president of the United States, as well as author of Declaration of Independence. And this can create either a private or a public topic. In this case, public means other people on the Highlight.org community can also use this. So I now click on this button, Create a Highlighter Topic. It tells me that a new topic has been created entitled Thomas Jefferson, and I now close this window. Next thing I need to do is reload the topics from Highlight.org by clicking on this reload button. And now when I go and look at my drop-down list, there should be a new topic that was not there before, and this one is Thomas Jefferson. If I select this button, it is now displayed as one of my buttons that I can use to create a new highlight for Highlight.org using the category of Thomas Jefferson. This is a great page about Thomas Jefferson. It has both a picture and some historical statistics of his birth date and death date. So first of all, let me create a highlight. In this case, let's create a highlight of this image, this miniature portrait. So I will right mouse click, and I see that there's an option to highlight this image for highlight.org. And then let's highlight his birth date and his birth location using the mouse, and then I click on the Thomas Jefferson button. It tells me in this case it has created a new highlight created by me on the topic of Thomas Jefferson, the title of the web page, and the actual URL to let me know that this was created. I click on OK, and now it shows me if there is a highlight that is on this page. Before it showed there were still highlights on this page. Now I have one. So now I click on this button, and in a second it will highlight this page. It shows me that I created this highlight on this page on this date. Let's do one more time. One more. In this case, let's highlight his death date, show that he died on July 4th. Select that text, click on the Thomas Jefferson button. It shows me that this was created, and now it shows me there are two highlights on this page. So let's now click on this button, and it should have two. It showed me here's one highlight and here's another highlight on highlight.org that were created on highlight.org. Okay, brief demonstration of how to use the toolbar to create a highlight of an image and a highlight of text on a web page. And now if we open up a new page on highlight.org, it will show us that we have created this highlight with an image and a highlight without an image as a result of using the toolbar.